Hello, Sujina. Wanted to show you our progress. We had to replace this back deck, your plywood. You know, we'd hoped to be able to put your new wood on top of your old plywood. We replaced the back deck. It was just completely, it was just too badly damaged. There's a couple of layers actually. So we've got to finish putting this all together, but anyway, we got that started, well underway. We've got we're replacing this piece of plywood as well, and this piece of plywood here. The front deck plywood we're going to be able to reuse. We'll just sand that, and that won't be a problem. We'll get all the glue off of it, sand it, and then we won't have any issues with putting your new decks on top of this. We have also what we did on this side right here. Hi, Jesse. What we did on this side right here, we had to do on the other side as well. And I think I already showed you, sent you a video. We had to replace some of your what's called the shelf board, which is this board right here is called the shelf board. So we had to replace part of the shelf board on the other side because where this joint was on the other side, both pieces of the shelf board were rotted out. So we've got all that fixed, and we've used the first installment, and we're ready for another one. So we'll talk to you soon. You'll see an invoice for the next installment in your mailbox.